Okay, so I'm here. Go through this something that could, if you were looking to create maybe a thumbnail or even an advertising, um, a picture for your website or just any place that you might want to do it, you can go in ChatGPT 4 and hit create image. Now, the more descriptive you are, the better the picture is going to come. Here, I just put create an image of a man thinking. There's a thought bubble with the letters SEO and SBO. So that was my original, what I had put. This is what it came up with in the original one. I put SEO, SBO. It came up with SVB. That was an interpretation. I do like the background here with the two different colors and a little bit about the computer. Um, Look there. They tried to get better, but it was still missing a letter. So then uh, here, I just took it down. I had it still two words, but at least it picked up and said, picked SBO. This one, I just had it create one with SEO. So this is what it gave me. Here, I changed and made it an HVAC tech, um, thinking about with the bubble. Uh, Again, being more specific. So this gave me something here. This, you could either, if you had somebody that knew what they were doing or you knew what you were doing, you could actually substitute yourself in this pose and put it in here. Or you could leave it and go from there. You can always do, if you have a graphic program, this can be taken out and just made white, and you could put the words in that you want to put in. All right. Switched it up here. The image of a woman doctor thinking. There's a blank thought bubble, which was here. And then in the background, there's a Google search box. So they put the search box inside here. You could possibly use this if you were in marketing as an advertising. You could use it as a thumbnail. And let's see if we can just, I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it, put it back in here. And of course, with the image, it should be easy enough to, um, let's change, let's change that here where you're simply changing, let's see if we can change the race of the woman. Now, it doesn't take too long. And this can, while you're doing it, this can save you a couple dollars. ChatGPT, as I'm sure you may have heard several times, can help you to streamline some of the things that you're doing. But if you do have somebody that knows what they're doing and you know what you can actually describe what it is you would like, then you could tell them what you want. You have that image in your mind. If you can put it into words, then you can go ahead and Chat GPT will do its best to make that come up. Some people, you can also do this in Mid Journey. If you know anything about that, uh, that's another one. There are a lot of different these artificial intelligence engines that can generate it for you. So this just, again, it changed it. Um, I can, again, real quick, uh, change it to a, go from man to male. And we'll go from, even though these should be the same, how about this? We'll change it to a dentist. Change it to a dentist. As you can see here in the background of the two backgrounds, this of course is blurry. You can't really see any images in the background. Here you can see a desk and a table and possibly some flowers in the back. So each of the different images should change um, according to each time that you put it in. So no image should be the same. There will be something different in each one, so you don't have to worry about even though you can use the same prompt, and these are what I put in is called a prompt. But even though you can use the same prompt, you can still come out with a different image. So that's will be the next little example that I'll give. I'll use the same prompt and show how you can come up with still not the same image using the same information. So while we're waiting for that, I'm going to copy this. Not the image. Just need this right here, copy. Throw it back in. Now you see that image again, how the picture changed. The earlier one with the female had the desk and the things in the background, and it was blurry. This one was a dentist, so it came up with the dentist chair, the light, so that came up again. Image of the dentist with a black thought bubble. All right, well, this decided it said it's been created, so it wasn't going to let me do it again, which is interesting. So let's just change one word. Let's see what it does for us. See if that changes. I don't even remember putting but I guess it was because it gives you what you asked for. I simply changed the thought bubble from black to, now see how even on the inside of here, I just changed from a black woman to an Asian male. Google's here. That search box is different than this search box. The background changed, but the basic thought of it, that pretty much stayed the same. And this one has Google, and it took it out of the search box and just had Google in the middle, which you could, of course, just white this out, put whatever words you want to put in it, and you see the background changed. So it's just real brief, just the things you can just play with it for a while, changing up the words. If you know your specifics or idea you have in your mind and you can actually type it out, you can express it, then this is a good tool to help you get some type of marketing material, thumbnails, or anything that you might be doing. So you can leave comments in the down below, and I'll leave a way if you want to get in contact with me. I'll leave that in the description. Thanks.